What's going on, guys? Just another late night. Just finished getting the PitBike going. She's ready to rip, and yeah, chains on. Plan on getting it out today. Make some footy on it. End up downpouring rain all day, so that's not gonna happen. But yeah, take a look at her. She's looking savage. There's really nothing quite like looking at a freshy bike right at the beginning of the season. If anybody's wondering about that, I was wearing safety glasses working on some stuff, and a piece of metal came up, hit my glasses, and it cut me right here in the edge of my nose there too. Just in case anybody's wondering about that. Bike came out awesome. It's always awesome seeing a bike after you freshly rebuild it and literally just impeccably scrub every speck of the frame. But one other thing I usually always do every start of the season is I give an attempt at making some custom graphics. I don't really like paying $120 for graphics from a distributor or something like that. You know, it's a lot of money for stickers that usually just get ripped up anyways when you're free riding. Got some vinyl here, and we got the original graphics I've been starting to already peel off. And we're gonna kind of go with the same idea. Here is my idea for the graphics. So yeah, we're going to give a shot at that. We're going to cut out some graphics and see how they come out, and hopefully we'll get something good. So let's time-lapse the shit. Right there, guys, we kind of got an idea of what we're going to do here. I'm going to make a break in it somewhere, but you can at least see the design now and what we're kind of going with, so we're going to cut that out quick. Alright, so there. So now we have that right there. Just kind of the design we wanted. So that's kind of my idea with all this, is that if you just get a bunch of vinyl together, you shape it how you want it, you cut it how you want it, do it for one side, just get it mocked up, and then mirror it to the other side with, you know, the opposite side of the vinyl, trace it, cut it. Fuck. For 15 bucks, you can get a damn looking good bike, so why the hell not do it? Especially with me, I had this vinyl laying around. This is costing me no money. It's costing me 20 minutes to make the bike look a little bit more fresh with less crap graphics. So, kind of like that. Kind of like the OEM Honda, somewhat. So, alright, yeah, gonna trace that out, and then probably the same thing for the other side. Alright, about to put on the first piece. It's gonna be just like that. Get the fitment right where I want it. I think that's gonna do it. I think. Pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. Now we can paper back off. Definitely want to say it looks a lot better than the cheap vinyl. That's for sure. Not sure what I think of it, but could be using a heat gun to help shape it a bit, but I think that'll be right good right there. That doesn't look half-ass bad. There, I think that looks pretty sharp. It's got that nice glossy feel and like actual good quality vinyl. Kind of a random break in it there. I don't know what to think of that. I kind of want to just join it up. Alright, next I wanted to do these things on there, so we're going to have to give that a shot now. That one's not going to work under the CRF right now because I have that Honda wing there, and I kind of don't mind that. Could probably do something off of that instead. I kind of just wing this at work, so I was really going by the actual bike. But I do like how that goes over the CRF. We could have it come up like this, go in. That might be cool. Alright, let's give that a shot. Yeah, I kind of try to round the ends down. It doesn't look the best, but the goal was kind of do it like that. There we go, just like that. That's mint. That's mint. I like that. We'll have to trace that first before we put it on. So we got one for the other side. We got it lined up right where I want it. This is definitely the hardest part. What the hell was it? It'll work. Oh, I don't think I could have got much better with that. I hate this part. It's so hard not to grab the vinyl underneath. There we go. Yeah, for homemade graphics, it's not obviously going to be 100% perfect. There's scissor marks in it and stuff too. Alright guys, I do apologize for going to this side, but for this part, we are going to be working on this right here and that part right there. So that's why we're looking at it, so we can kind of see. I want to go by that angle there. Oh crap, I haven't even bolted that in yet. Jokes. Anyway, so yeah, we want to do the lines there. We want them to be symmetrical with these lines. So we're going to run it off of the inner line there. Alright lads, next part. That looks kind of aggressive. Cool, bro. Getting there. Starting to, even though that's the opposite side, starting to definitely get there a little bit better. I think that looks alright. If not, I can always take it off, so get a farther look at it. Looks alright. About to do the one of the last major pieces. Just trying to line it all up so it's good. Alright guys, battery might die in the middle of this shot, but we're gonna go for it anyways. We're gonna be putting this big piece on right there. And that's gonna run all the way up under. It's gonna be sick. First and foremost, but I gotta line this up, so what I'm gonna have to do. Oh yeah, that'll work perfect. Oh no, it's not lined up right. We have to peel it back off. The battery's doing pretty good for saying it's at 0%, so I can do what I can to kinda. I am not a master at putting on vinyl. Please keep that in mind. I am not teaching you how to vinyl. I'm just teaching you a quick, cheap way. Or not even teaching. I'm just giving an example of something you can do to be real cheap. Getting your dirt bike or your pit bike looking hella cool. I will show you the other side in a second, but it is not symmetrical with it. But now you can see kind of how it's going together. I think it does look pretty sweet. I don't want to go with some like supercross or motocross style theme like, you know, all I do is fucking free rides, so. But they do look pretty close. Couple things I need to change, and then gonna do a little tiny trick thing down here with the number plate. I thought about blacking those out, but I do like the white. It's cool. I don't have any ideas for the front number plate yet, but I do have an idea for the rear here, even though I love I do have some ideas for back here. That was kind of my idea for the front. That was for the rear. Once I can get I want to do the play button thing in red. This side looks better than the other side, I think, even though the front part isn't done. But with it all done like that, it ties together really well. I just need to figure out that side compared to this side. Just, well, they kind of look okay. So, till next time, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys got some ideas for your home pit bikes. You know, I've done this whole build for under $300 with everything here, literally, other than buying the frame and the original 50. I'm just saying converting it to a CRF110 style. So, I'm just saying you can do this on budget. You can still keep your bike looking hella sick. Like, who cares if you got a China pipe? It's a pit bike. Like, you know, it's dope to have an actual pro circuit FMF. Like, I've had FMF pipes. I've had pro circuit pipes. You can't beat the quality and fitment. But with pit bikes, honestly, who really cares? It's a pit bike. It's just something to bang around on. And for me, I just kind of treat it like my main bike now. Since I got off the big bikes, you know, working full time, I can't afford to get hurt. And I can go at the pit bikes, hit BMX style jumps, shovel something in half an hour and hit it for an hour and a half, jump it like a BMX bike with, you know, and take it to the track, take it to the trails and rip, and it's a blast. I'm short too, so it works out good. Happy Easter to you, everybody, and look what we just finished and brought the hell outside. Pit bike is ready to rip, and pretty well all the graphics are on it. So yeah, so today we're gonna start this thing up for the first start of the season. See how this bastard sounds. We'll throw a clip up before we start it so we can do an exhaust note comparison. It should be a hell of a lot quieter from what you guys seen in the previous video. She's looking pretty trick though. Come on, you damn thing, Steve. gas in it. Well, there we go, everybody. She runs good like she always did. Only took about 20 or 30 kicks with old gas to get her running good. We're just gonna hop in the shed here, stay warm for a bit. Maybe we'll get some quick little riding clips in just around the backyard. We'll putt around, see how she sounds in gear. And I apologize for the stupid smoking. I've been addicted to cigarettes since high school, but maybe through the videos, if this keeps going, you guys can help me quit smoking. Wouldn't that be a great, like, fantastic treat? Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys are excited about the pit bike yet again, and she's looking pretty sweet inside the shop. I'm putting that stock 50 to shame. Let me know what you guys think about the new graphics. I think they're pretty stellar. A little bit more nicer this time around. What I like is how it flows with the body line there. Even though I have that break in it right there, but I like it, I like it, I like it. Front number plate. This has a little bit of trick to it. Not much. Alright guys, until next time, Devin from PRC Works, and look forward to some more pit bike videos. Take it easy. We out.